So this is how the frugal entrepreneurship comes into way, where we think and where we assume that everything is pretty good in the urban area, but the rurals are also getting a lot of things. So that's how comes the Jugaad entrepreneurship. I'll just... So this is a buzzword which actually, we thought it was data. Yesterday when I was just checking out, it had come, innovation, intellectual property is the oil of the 21st century. Look at the richest man 100 years ago. They all made their money extracting natural resources or moving them around. All India, all today's richest men have made their money out of intellectual property. I think most of you will agree to it. Sorry. So while we talk about startups, so every business was a startup, as it was told by Satyendra in the morning. So every businesses were a startup in the early stages, and now they have become big businesses. What exactly is the keyword, or how do you protect those? What should you take care of the IP? Will patents facilitate venture capital investment? A big yes to it. There are a lot of angel investors, venture capitalists who actually are in lookout. Day before yesterday, I don't know how most of you would be excited. I'm seeing students. There was a series of Shark Tank. So I had a very close friend of mine, who, not a friend of mine, rather later he became my friend. Sairaj Dhond happens to be the owner of Vakau Foods. So we never imagined, we are from South India. So this is Tamil. I come from Andhra. So we are, we have jackfruits at our homes, but we never thought it could become, multi-business, multi-million business. So that's how it came, and Sairaj has been instrumental in getting those, businesses from jackfruit. And what are his aims? His aims are to come up with, if you have heard McDonald's, when Preeti was talking about the big M, the yellow M, I was just thinking, so you have Oreo shakes at McDonald's. He wants Vakau McDonald's. So this is something, you have to think, how do you get it? You need to have people, those who need to fund you. So the best or the worst part, I don't know. Many of the people, those who were bank, they rejected their offers, and they believed in themselves, and after the pandemic, this has happened good, that many of investors, angel investors and venture capitalists have started putting money into your businesses, your ideas, and your technologies which come out. So can patents help a startup define itself against attacks by incumbent rivals? Can patents help a startup stop the theft of innovation by larger rivals? Need to think of. Most of them have been answered even. That's what I was saying. It's always mid when you talk. Can patents ensure a startup freedom to operate? Can patents help a startup rapid increase its market share? So how IP, since there are students, they would really be interested. Most of them are innovators. They think of, when I was talking to sir now, and the struggle is not for filing patents. There's a competition between academic institutions, that we have filed this number of patents this year, this many patents we have been doing, and Again, there's a question: how, if you have filed those patents, how many have been, granted, which actually stands with them, the Copyright Office. So how it helps? It identifies your investors and convinces them to invest in innovation. That is the frugal innovation which we are talking about.